Well, I have something really awesome that I want to share with you today that I have had for a while. I love this item. I use it all the time, and I've even given this item. Makes a great gift. It's the Ninja Personal Blender. And this is a very strong little item that will absolutely shock you for what it can do in such a short amount of time. There's 700 watts of power in this unit right here, and it is easy to store. It doesn't take much space. I bought a little plastic container that I just pop all these things in. You get 2 of these lids that are a pop lid that are great for sipping, but they also close real tight so that you don't have any leakage if you're going to take it travel to go. I do them for the kids. I give them to my husband, and I love taking them too. They fit in your cup holder in the car if you want to take it and go. And this just goes on top here, screws down, and off you go. 2 cups come with this, which is awesome, and they're 16-inch cups, so that's great. And you get the blade here, along with a book that will show you at least 30 ideas for recipes, and also a manual that will explain all the parts of your blender. So I'm just going to stick this on here. It shows you how easy this is to do this. So you just stick it on. Let me move this here. Push down. I'll tell you, I gave this to grandparents, and they love it because it doesn't take any effort. And they can make smoothies. Moms love this if they have babies. They can do pureed baby food. You're welcome to add protein powder or collagen if you're looking to make healthy green smoothies. Milkshakes, that's what I have right here. I'm going to add a little bit of fruit to that. Just throw your fruit in. Super simple. Pop on your little top, screw it down, throw it back on top of your Ninja blade here, upside down, nice and tight on your blender, pop down, and you are all set. Easy, wonderful, super simple, powerful, and a great little item that you're going to want to have in your kitchen. I'm sure you're going to love this. It has lasted me for many years. It just doesn't want to die, and I'm thrilled with it, and I think you will be too. Take a peek and look and see how yummy that looks. Now we can pop this baby on, and we're ready to go. You got to check it out. Ninja Blender, the personal blender. It's a must-have.
Okay, we have our Hamilton Beach blender here. This one obviously is pink. But let's start at the bottom and go over the features this blender has. You can see the cord. It's a corded blender. Wraps around the bottom so you can store it easily. And then when you're ready to use it, you can just unwind it. And this blender has a push button to turn it on. It's not an on and off switch, so you have to hold it, which is kind of handy for this style. It locks, so when you go to blend it, you just throw it on there on the unlock, lock it, push the button, and you're ready to go. This blender is 20 ounce, and you can see the measurements on the side, so if you have to measure anything out when you're putting it in it, there's a spot on top where you can use it as a drink with a cover, so you can take it with you on the go. And I guess we'll try some ice and water and see how well it blends it up. I'm throwing a little bit of water. It's a little too much, but we'll try it. Throw the lid on, and just to the floor. I dumped a little bit of water out there. A little bit too much in there. and it turned it into slush, so that's what we wanted.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this 11-piece blender set from Magic Bullet. If you're looking for a small micro blender that doesn't break the bank, I think you're really going to like what Magic Bullet has to offer. Let's get started. This product comes with a 4-prong blade, which you can use to blitz down any fruits and vegetables for smoothies if you want. Another thing about this product is the motor only uses 250 watts. That makes it one of the less powerful items on the market, but with that, it's not going to be as noisy. One of the best things about this product is no matter what you're doing with it, you'll get the job done with very little fuss, and you don't have to worry about the noise. This product also comes with a 1-year warranty. In this set, you get 3 cups, the smallest one having about 12 ounces of capacity, while the other 2 have 18 ounces of capacity. One of the bigger cups also has a really convenient handle, making it easier to hold. You also get the blender with this product, along with 3 different lids. 2 regular lids, which you can use for food prep and storage, really convenient. And the other lid is a flip-top lid that you can attach and easily drink your smoothies or whatever else you're making. This blender is really easy to use. Take whatever you want to blend or mix or chop, put it in the cup, twist on the blade, line it up on the base, line up the tabs, and then all you need to do is push down and turn your wrist. Not that loud and really efficient. Some of the pros that I really like about this product is 1, it's really compact and doesn't take up a lot of storage room. It's quiet, which a lot of other blenders are not going to be as quiet as this one. A lot of these items are dishwasher safe. And if you're not experienced using a blender, this is the one that you have to use. It's very easy to figure out how to use. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the review.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer with storage case. The great thing about this is it has 220 watts of power. It has a smooth start feature, which helps eliminate splattering while you're mixing. It has a 1-step power switch right here. It has 9 speeds. It comes with this sturdy snap-on storage case, which holds the hand mixer, as well as all of the accessories. It comes with 2 beaters, a whisk, 2 dough hooks, and a spatula. You could just make so many different things with this hand mixer, from cookies to brownies to breads with the dough hooks, as well as cakes. One of the greater features of this is that it has a swivel cord. It can swivel from right to left for right-handed and left-handed use, and it sits flat down like that. It also has an eject button for the beaters right here, and they come right out, and you store them into your case. If you love to bake, this is definitely an item that you should have on your countertops.
Today I got in my portable blender. I'm really excited to use it. Let's take a look at it together. Just using a little milk, a piece of a banana, and some chocolate. Now all we're going to do is just put it on there, tighten it, turn it over, push the button. It will tell you when it's ready. It'll cut off on its own. It usually takes about 20 seconds to make, just to get it blended up really well. Now we're done. We just turn it over. We can drop it in our briefcase, in our purse, and we're ready to go.